Good evening everyone. So today, I will explain about heating and humidifying problems. So, an industrial facility needs to heat and humidity air from 15 degrees Celsius to 25% relative humidity to 30 degrees Celsius to 70% relative humidity at a flow rate of 3 kg per second. Determine the heating power required and the amount of the moisture added to the air. So we have a given here, T1 equals 15 degrees Celsius to 25% relative humidity. T2 equals 30 degrees Celsius to 70% relative humidity. Our mass flow rate is 3 kg air per second. And our Cp is 1.005 kilojoules per kilogram times K. And our HFG equals 2257 kilojoules per kilogram. So, from the psychrometric chart, we find W1 equals 0.002 kilogram per kilogram. And for W2 equals 0.013 kilogram per kilogram. So, we have a solution here. Finding the sensible heat first, so we have the formula Qs equals mass flow rate times Cp times T2 minus T1. So our mass flow rate is 3 kg air per second times our Cp is 1.005 kilojoules per kilogram air times K. And our T2 minus T1 equals 30 minus 50 degrees Celsius times K. So cancel kilogram air and K. So we have here Qs equals 45.23 kilowatts. So next, we need to find the latent heat. So we have the formula here, QL equals mass flow rate times W2 minus W1 times HFG. So QL equals, our mass flow rate is 3 kg air per second. Our W2 minus W1 equal times 0.013 minus 0.002 kilogram water over kilogram air times 2257 kilojoules per kilogram water. So we need to cancel the kilogram air, and kilogram water. So we have QL equals 74.48 kilowatts. Moisture added, we have the formula here, mass of water equals mass flow rate times W2 minus W1. So mass of water equals 3 kg air per second times 0.013 minus 0.002 kilogram water per kilogram air. So we need to cancel the kilogram air. So we have here mass of water equals, or moisture added equals 0.0033 kilogram water per second.